Alright, okay, so this is the trade for today. I took a long on ES. We took half position here and full take profits at Asia highs. They didn't get hit and we got stopped out at break even. This was such an annoying trade. I was in this for like nearly an hour waiting and then get stopped out at break even. It wasn't fun. Just sat there looking at it. It was a bit boring, but we stuck to the plan. We didn't, take it out or anything early. So yeah, perfect. Nice trade. Happy with this trade. Unfortunate it didn't hit Asia highs. I think that's it for the week now. We've got news tomorrow, which I won't be trading. But yeah, we're break even on the week now, and after sitting in a winning trade for like an hour, it's a bit disappointing, but it's whatever. But yeah, let's go over it. Right, it's actually very difficult to do this without getting lost and just yapping too much. I want to try and make these as quick as possible. So here, this is the let's just do this. Right, this is the 1 minute chart on ES. It's the 1 minute chart on Nasdaq. 15-minute chart on Nasdaq. And then the 15-minute chart on ES. Right, so why did I take this trade? So we had Nasdaq here, we came down and we swept out all of this liquidity, and ignoring all of this up here, we had a bit of manipulation here, and then coming down. I wasn't going to take a continuation because we were down almost 1%. It's just we're not going to keep going down without having a relief, and the relief is what we got here. We came into equilibrium. Now, for me, this was a sign to close out full positions on ES, but we were so close to these highs. I really believed that we were going to take them out. I mean, we still can take them out. My trade hasn't actually been invalidated. I just left at break even because I'd taken some profits off here, and we were down on the week. I'm happy with break even on the week. I mean, if this does eventually come up and take this, I did want to wait to do the video if it did or didn't, but I don't really care. I did it. I did what I wanted to do. I wanted to set stops to break even, and I felt as if that was a safe area to keep the stops. It's just been very long and choppy. But right, what else is there? So we had on the 15, ES didn't come down below Asia lows. Nasdaq, we came down below Asia lows and just ripped down. We had an SMT divergence that we created down here to here, and then on ES we had the SMT from here to here. On the ES, when we made this big candle up, I was taking that as we've changed market structure. Even though we didn't actually break 5-minute order flow, I just took that as it's a big enough candle to give that sign. I'm just the god of trading, basically. And then this 5-minute candle down I wanted was also, I guess you could say, came into equilibrium here. And yep, and then once we'd retraced down and Nasdaq had made a lower low, giving the SMT divergence, I just wanted a 1 minute confluence to come back bullish on 5-minute order flow, and we inverse this 1 minute gap here with this candle. So this candle here was my long. I think I got filled here somewhere where it was, and yeah, then I was in that first take profit, smashed for a 1-to-1. So we are break even on the day. This was a full risk trade. Would have been lovely if this hit. We would have had a nice week to close out on. But yeah, we got stopped out at break even. So yeah, damn, that was long to sit in. I'm just so surprised that we didn't come up and take these sooner. We're just really chopping. At one point we had like equal highs here, and I just thought we've got to. Obviously, when we came down here, this was crazy. I thought, yeah, we filled the gap. Now we're gonna take it. No, chop work. And then when I got stopped out, I was like, okay, we're gonna take it. No, chop work. I'm glad we're up on the day. We can't complain. What else is there to talk about? I said about Nasdaq coming to equilibrium. That was all I wanted to see Nasdaq do. I didn't expect Nasdaq to come up to here, obviously, but when we were at equilibrium, we were floating here, and I thought, oh, I should close this ES trade, but My take profit was here. I don't know. I think it was the right call to leave it to take out these highs, but maybe a little bit greedy. I was up on the day. I didn't really care if it came down to stop me out of break even. It was going to stop me out of break even. This definitely comes up and takes these out. I think surely, but it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. Yeah, I think I've said everything I want to say in this. I've showed the different charts in the 5. And yeah, that was it really. I mean, I was very stuck on the bias at the start, and then I just saw all of this, and this was pretty obvious to me. And yeah, I think it was perfect entry. I had this. I'm really proud of this day here. Yeah, it was a good day. All right, nice one.